Hi. Today's topic for discussion is mitochondrial replacement therapy, right? So this topic is very important and most frequently in use nowadays. And in the last 4 years, two times from the same topic, two prelims questions have been asked, and those questions I'll show it at the end of the video. And this topic is very potential for the coming prelims as well, right? Fine. Now, so we'll see one by one. What are mitochondria? So mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell. They are the energy producers, right? Generally, we call ATP the energy currency of the cell, which is being produced within these mitochondria. And these mitochondria are of the shape like a broken groundnut shell, right? And within this mitochondria, there are certain finger-like projections called cristae, in which there are many kind of enzymes embedded in it, and only these enzymes participate in the respiration process, releasing the energy. So this is just a brief note on mitochondria, right? Now, the second point is, what are mitochondrial diseases? See, all mitochondria contain DNA. When these mitochondrial DNA undergo mutation, these will produce mitochondrial diseases. Very simply stated, right? Fine. Since these mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, the energy producers of the cell, any defect in this mitochondria will affect the crucial functions of the body, the nervous system, the respiratory system, all many vital functions which need to be performed will get affected when this mitochondrial mutation happens. And these mitochondrial diseases are generally inherited through mother and not through father, right? Fine. So this is about this mitochondrial disease. So this mitochondrial replacement therapy involves 3 steps. The first step is to derive the healthy nucleus from the original parent mother. Then the second step is, from the donor mother, you will have to remove the nucleus, retaining the healthy mitochondria, and you just implant this derived nucleus from the original parent mother into the donor mother. Then after that, you fertilize this egg with a father's sperm. So now there will be 3 parents for the baby born. That's how this process is done, right? Primarily, there are 3 methods of performing this mitochondrial replacement process. The first one is pronuclear transfer, the second one is maternal spindle transfer, and the third one is polar body transfer, right? And in our previous test also, we had asked 2 questions based on the same topic, that is mitochondrial donation or the 3-parent baby. And most positively, you can expect question for your prelims 2024 also from the same topic, right?